Hi, I'm Louise. Since we've had such amazing interest in our student nurse, student midwife to be workshop, I thought I would take the opportunity to tell you a bit more about me and what to expect in the workshop. So what's my nursing and midwifery story? Well, I've had a lot of experience over the years within different aspects of nursing and midwifery, both within the NHS and the private sector. I started my training as an adult nurse in 2008. My first job was on a neonatal unit, and then I worked in the community as a paediatric immunisation nurse, then in the private sector in a gynecology clinic, and then I started my midwifery training in 2014. I've worked within all areas of maternity before settling in the postnatal ward due to my passion for breastfeeding and postnatal support. I later became public health midwife, leading the immunisation programme for pregnant women and newborns. During this time, I developed a passion for education and now work full-time in practice development. I set up Bump Academy last year as I wanted to share my love for antenatal education and also mentoring and professional development of nurses and midwives. I'm involved in a mentorship programme as part of a careers development for local secondary schools. Through this, I have mentored sixth formers who are considering a career in nursing or midwifery. They meet with me over a period of 9 months prior to applying to university, where I tell them more about the role and support them in their application. I've compiled all the best bits from my mentorship meetings to help you in your plan for a career in nursing and midwifery. So our student nurse and student midwife to be 2-hour workshop will give you tips and info for you to learn more about the role of a student and a registered nurse and midwife. Although this workshop can't guarantee you a space on a course, its aim is to learn more about the career to help you decide if nursing and midwifery is right for you. So I'm looking forward to seeing you there. Don't forget to click on the biletto link to secure your space. Message me for more info. Thanks!